Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2020-22. Consider the matrix A is equals to 2 1 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 whose eigenvalues are 1 minus 1 3. Then trace of a cube minus 3a square is equal to what? So this is the question in the house of linear algebra. Now a is equals to a, three eigenvalues are lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, and this is given 1 minus 1 3. So let if a is equals to a cube minus 3a square, it is. So now f of lambda is equals to lambda cube minus 3 lambda square. So f of 1 is equal to minus 2, f of minus 1 is equals to minus 4, and f of 3 is equals to 0. So trace, now we should calculate trace. So trace of a cube, we should calculate trace of this. So trace of this is equal to a cube minus 3a square, that is equal to minus 2 minus 4 plus 0, that is equal to minus 6. So it is our required solution. Minus 6 is the trace of this. So this is the whole solution of question 27. Now moving to question 28. So question 28 tells us to find the eigenvalues of a matrix A is equals to 3, 4, 0, 3, and hence determine whether it can be diagonalized. Okay, so here suppose Q is equal to geometrical multiplicity. So Q is the geometrical multiplicity. So this is equal to, we may say, n minus rank of a minus lambda I into identity matrix. So that is equal to 2 minus rank of a minus 3i. So that is equal to 2 minus rank of 0 4 0 0. So that is equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Therefore lambda 1 is equals to lambda 2 is equals to 3, as we know. So number of eigen value is equal to, here we see 2. So number of eigenvalue is equal to 2, and number of, so this is equal to geometric multiplicity is equal to 1. So this shows number of eigenvalue is not is equals to number of eigenvector. So as eigenvector is 1, so we may say a can't be diagonalized, as number of eigenvalues is not is equals to number of eigenvector. So a cannot diagonalized. Okay. So it is our required solution, and this is the whole solution of question 28. Now moving to question 29. So question 29 tells us the number of the linear independent eigenvector of matrix A is equals to 2 1 0 0 2 0 0 0 3 is what? It is a GATE sample question 2020-22. So here we see 3 2 2 is the diagonal element. So if we say this is x1 and these two are the, here we show it is x2. So here arithmetic multiplicity is equal to 2 and geometric multiplicity we know q, that is equal to n minus rank of A minus lambda I into identity matrix. So that is equal to 3 minus rank of 0, this just A minus lambda I into identity matrix. So that is equal to 0 1 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 1. So now calculate the rank of this. So this is equal to 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. So here we see that is geometrical multiplicity is equal to 1 and independent, so we may say independent eigenvector is equal to 2 here. So independent eigenvector is equal to 2. Therefore we should calculate independent eigenvector. Okay, so we reached, so 2 is the independent eigenvector. Now one thing, if it is a diagonalized matrix or not. So it is not in question. Now my question to you, that is if it is a diagonalized matrix, then the answer is no, as it is not diagonalized matrix. Why? As because eigenvector is equals to eigenvalue. Okay, so we reached. These are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.